Hi everyone, this is Cheryl Kuchek with Sublimation for Beginners and Beyond Facebook group. So I wanted to come to you today and show you how you can press multiple items at the same time. And in doing that, you save time and money. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sublimate these coasters. They're FRP. And so these are the items you're going to need. Heat gloves, polyester fabric that you might want to put on top instead of like a parchment paper so that it absorbs the moisture and you don't have ghosting. Repositional spray. You want your sublimated image. I'm using a priority, but you could obviously use a piece of cardboard, but priority envelope, 2 pieces of parchment paper, and a piece of metal. And again, it really just needs something hard that you can use to flip it over. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to stand up for this, is you're going to spray this, and then you want to put this down. I'm putting it down on, actually, I want to put my piece of parchment paper down, then my transfer, and now I'm going to position, I just want to show you. So I have it like this, and now I'm going to position my coasters on here, and I will show you as soon as I'm done. And I do try to position them in the same place so I have a really good even transfer. Okay, so let's see. It should be good. Okay, so now it's going to look much like this. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take my piece of metal with my parchment paper on it. So it's going to be sandwiched like so. I'm flipping it over. I'm now taking off the priority envelope. Now I'm going to move over to my heat press. Now I've added 10 more seconds, so it's actually at 1 minute and 10 seconds. Now what I'm going to do, and let's see if I can get you to be able to see what I'm doing here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide this off with the parchment paper. Just like that, and try not to get myself burned. Okay, just like that. Now it's ready. I'm going to put this down, and I'm going to close the lid. And that probably isn't quite heavy enough, but it'll be fine. And I didn't use this, even though it probably, I mean, you can with that, we'll see. But because I used repositional spray, it should be fine in terms of not having ghosting. So, and we'll see. We'll see how it comes out. And it's always, I love doing this. I love, you know, this, again, it saves a lot of time. You're literally talking about, you know, 60 seconds per coaster versus 70 seconds. So it's pretty awesome. So, all right, we have just a few seconds left, and I'm going to slide it over on the envelope. And here we go. Okay. And of course, you never want to use that paper twice. Okay, so let's put this on here, and now I'm going to take off my paper. Came out absolutely gorgeous. And take a look at that. Isn't that awesome? So there you have it. You know, please join me for the next video I will be doing here shortly. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.